Hello children, today we are going to study about reflection of light. How do we see things around us? Because of light. Will our eyes be able to see the things if there is no light? No, we need light to see things. Without light we cannot see the objects. But where is this light coming from? This light is coming from this source, that is the efflorescent bulb. You see that this bulb is emitting its own light. The objects which emit their own light are called luminous objects. Can you give any other example? Yes, incandescent light bulbs, sun, stars are also luminous objects. What about objects such as table and chair? Do they emit their own light? No, these objects do not emit their own light. So they are called non-luminous objects. Almost everything around us is non-luminous. Objects made up of wood, plastic, cotton, metal are all non-luminous. Now what about the moon and other planets? They are also non-luminous. But if the moon is non-luminous, how are we able to see it? The answer to this is reflection of light. The reason we are able to see any non-luminous objects around us is because of reflection of light. Reflection of light can simply be referred as change in direction of light. Just like the ball bounces back from the ground, light reflects off from a smooth surface. Now let me try to explain you in this simple way. The light from the source strikes the object and then it bounces off from its surface. And when this light reaches our eyes, we are able to see the object. And this is how we see non-luminous objects. When the object is kept in front of the mirror, its image is formed in it. But will we be able to see the image in the dark? No. So the formation of the image is also due to reflection of light. Let this object be a human body. So at the same time we are looking at the image. Now, is our body a luminous or a non-luminous object? Of course, it is non-luminous. Human body cannot emit its own light. So the light from the source is first incident on the human body. It gets reflected from it and this reflected light strikes the mirror. This light is further reflected from the surface of the mirror and it reaches our eyes.